Today I'm going to show you the steps to make a simple 3D moving script in Visual Scripting. I'm going to put the link to install Unity and my visual scripting program in the link in the description. So, what I'm going to do is get a cube and another cube. This is the ground and our player. So size it up. Let's rename them. Okay, now what we're going to do is make a new folder called Scripts. We want everything to be organized. Now what we're going to do is create Visual Scripting Script Graph. Player. Now we're going to go to a player and add two things. Something called rigid body and something called script machine. So now we're going to drag player into graph on our script machine. And for constraints in rigid body, freeze rotation. All together, everything. So now let's go into here. It takes a bit of time, but you'll eventually get in. So it actually takes a little bit, but it'll eventually load up. We just need to give it a bit of time. Alright, there we go. It's loading right now. So this should be the last loading cycle, and then we should be done. There we go. So now what we're going to do is on keyboard input. Now we're going to do W, hold. Now I'm going to type in rigid body, and force XYZ, connect it. And now, since we do W, we need to make X, let's do 70. So let's make sure that it works. Okay, so it is working, but let's put the camera at an angle. So we need to rotate our camera so it faces this way. And there we go. So now that is working, let's add the others. Duplicate it. Now we just have to change it to S and make it -70. Duplicate this. Make it A. Now we go to Z and we'll make it -70. And now we duplicate this and make it D70. So now, let's see if it works. Okay, so actually I need to rotate the camera one more time, so I actually need to rotate this way. Because if it is not moving straight, if we move it this way, there is something wrong with our code. There we go. It's just that this is inverted. So our left and right is inverted, so we need to change that. Uh-oh, I accidentally clicked the play button twice, but it's perfectly fine. We can just go back into here. There we go. So now, so the project is launched, so let's close out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make D -70 and this 70. So now we can boot up a project and it should be working correctly. Alright, up, down, left, right. Alright, that's great. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to do the same version as this but for 2D in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.